channel. In today's video we are not cooking anything, but we are cooking, but not something that we can eat. We are cooking something for our hair. Amazing hair. We are making hair rinse water from citruses skin, the leftover skin that you have from your citruses when you juice your citruses. Come along with me to see how I prepare my hair rinse using the skin from citruses. If you want to check my previous video, I share with you how I make my own natural deodorant. So thumb up for me showing you my armpits. It's very efficient, so go and check it out. But do it before you watch this video. I finished extracting the juice. Here is the magic liquid. Ooh, so refreshing, very delicious, great as a coffee instead of coffee in the morning. This is my morning coffee. I help my body to shine from inside out. I love the combination of grapefruit, oranges and lime. Let me know, do you like more grapefruit or oranges? I love more grapefruit, and I love the combination of both of them in a juice. And here are all the skins, the skin of the oranges and the citruses that I use. I added rainwater over the skins, the peels of the oranges and the grapefruit and the limes. If you don't have access to rainwater, you can use normal water. I prefer rainwater because I can collect the rainwater, but you don't have to if you don't have access. Normal water will work just fine. And now it's time to boil it. Bring it to a boil and then steam it for 5 minutes. Rinse is done at this point. Ooh. Smell divine, believe me, it does smell divine. Now I take it off and I put it on the side and let it sit for another 5 minutes. The hair rinse is done. Smell divine, as I said. I'm not using it now. I will let it cool down, and I like to store it in the jars. Put the lid when it's cold and put it into the fridge, and it will stay up to 4 days. My hair is washed now. I washed it yesterday. The hair water rinse with citruses adds shine and adds softness to your hair. When I'm ready to use it, I will add some tangerine oil, essential oil or lemon on top, and I'm using it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe for more videos with me. Very nice hobbies that you can enjoy it. And until the next time, all the best.